Mish Chloe.
As Mish Ruth.
And today we're going to learn a Christmas song from the Isle of Man from this wonderful book called Gell.
We're going to learn a song called Sfuren E, which is by Annie Kissack, and it means cold is the night. And it's a lovely contemporary song, which is perfect for winter and very accessible. So I'm going to lead you through the words of the song in Manx, and Chloe
will teach you the melody.
So we're going to start with the Manx first, and we're going to actually just look at what it means. And the great thing about this song is it's very repetitive. So if you've never sung or spoken any Manx before, it's a great way in. But if you do speak and sing in Manx, it's also a really nice song to learn. And so this song is also really great. It's not just a Christmas song, but it's also really nice to sing at any time in the winter because it's not particularly Christmassy in the words. There's no mention of the Nativity or Christmas or Bethlehem or anything like that. So we're going to go through the first line. So the first line is Sfuren E. Shall we say that together? Sfuren E, and that means cold is the night, or the night is cold. As me heen frail ara, and myself keeping watch is literally what that means. So frail ara is the keeping watch bit, and me heen is myself. So the whole line together is Sfuren E as me heen frail ara. And that's basically half of the words of the first verse, so that's really great. And our second line, I'll just go through that and then we'll have a little go at the tune, is Sfuren E as tammy ski. So the tammy ski bit at the end means I am tired, and it's a really useful phrase to learn. So we'll just try doing that little line there together. Sfuren E as tammy ski. Jinta mai. So we'll maybe have a little go with doing that with music, shall we, Chloe?
Yeah. Okay.
So
it goes.
Sfuren E as me heen frail ara. Sfuren E as tammy ski. Sfuren E as me heen frail ara. Sfuren E as tammy ski. So if you listened really carefully, you'll notice that the lyrics repeat themselves. You have 2 times through, Sfuren E as me heen frail ara, Sfuren E as tammy ski. So those 2 lines just repeat themselves for the second half of the tune. Should we go through the tune in a little bit more detail? Aye.
Well, we start off on an F sharp, and let's just double check that note. Here we go. So this is a nice key for young voices, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the first part goes Sfuren E as me heen frail ara. And then we jump up an octave to the top D and we go Sfuren E as tammy ski. And then that first phrase comes back again. It's exactly the same. So on an F sharp it goes Sfuren E as me heen frail ara. And the last phrase is nearly exactly the same as the second, but we go down to the D to finish. So up at the top D, Sfuren E as tammy ski.
We're going to have a look at the second and third verses now and just see how they change. Now the changes are very, very minimal in both of those verses. It's just one word at the start of each verse that changes. So in the first verse we sang Sfuren E, which means cold is the night. In the second verse we're going to sing Sturen E, which means dark or black is the night. Now it's really important when you're singing do to try and get your tongue on the ridgy bit just behind your teeth. There's a little gummy bit there that's called the hard palate, and if you get your tongue there it'll make a really nice clear duh 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 sound rather than a little bit of t coming in there. And that's important because the word stew in Manx means stuff, so we don't want to be singing that. So we're going to sing Thu and E as me heen frail era, dark or black as the night, and I myself am keeping watch. Thu and E as tammy ski in the second verse. And in the third verse, we've got a lovely word for long, which is liawa. Liawa, I love that word. So when we sing the third verse, we sing sliawer and E as me heen frail era, sliawer and E as tammy ski. So you'll notice the rest of the words stay the same that was in the first verse and second verse and third verse. Just the start of each one changes. So we're going to have a little sing through the whole lot, aren't we, Chloe?
Yes, and Ruth's going to add some harmonies.
I am.
Yes, because this song works very nicely with school choirs and also adult choirs. And Annie Kissack, who wrote the song, she's arranged this for her choir, Keggin, and it features in a Culture Vannin choral book called Chorair. So we'll give it a go, shall we? Sfurani as me heen frelara, Sfurani as tammy ski, Sfurani as me heen frelara, Sfurani as tammy ski. Stuani as me heen frelara, Stuani as tammy ski, Stuani as me heen frelara, Stuani as tammy ski. Slaurani as me heen frelara, Slaurani as tammy ski, Slaurani as me heen frelara, Slaurani as tammy